Hi friends, I have an amazing news to share with you. Future Canadian immigrants will have this evidence-based decision-making tool. This tool, based on the experience, skill set and the industry type, will be able to predict and recommend you the location which you must consider to come and settle so that you get your dream job and are able to economically thrive. Now, these are the two important things which are in top of priority for any new immigrant. I'll be talking about this more in detail as we proceed with the video. So do watch this video till the end. And if you're a new subscriber, please go ahead and press the like button as well as do subscribe as I bring such relevant information to you which matters. So friends, when we are planning to immigrate to Canada, most of us, we follow this affinity based decision making, which is if we have a friend, family, relative, someone known, we usually speak to them, and you would find that people to whom we have more affinity, we find comfort that that location might be a better job prospecting place, and that's how most of us make decision. If you have any other way of doing that, please do comment and let us know. In fact, when we were planning to immigrate to Canada, I did use the existing tool which the Canada government has, and it is actually a gold mine. But I feel that it is not very user friendly. You really need to dig deep and try to mine the data and interpret. Now, this new tool could be a game changer as it is going to predict and give you the information right in your hand. So what is this tool? Now, IRCC also knows the challenge which a new immigrant has. Most of the new immigrant will land up either in Vancouver, Toronto, Edmonton or Montreal. And what is this doing? More number of immigrant in these places competing for a number of jobs. And what it ends up, most of the immigrant, they either end up doing a wrong job or they are doing 1 or 2 level down. And this does not just have impact on your morale but also on the Canadian economy, because you are not able to use your right skill set doing the right job. And to tackle with this problem, IRCC collaborated with Stanford University's Immigration Lab, who focuses on immigration related challenges, and they are one of the world's leading thinker, and you can look at their website. They have been doing some fantastic job. You can take your time to look at their website, and you see here down below it also mentions IRCC collaborating with them. So Immigration Lab, they have taken the data from all previous years, looking at where the immigrants have landed, what kind of job profile they have got, and all those inputs. And they have tried to make this data set to see who have thrived in which place and what has been the barriers. So they are looking into everything what is possible, and they are trying to make this into a machine learning model through which when you go and use the tool based on your experience, industry type and skill set, and based on the previous data on how people have been able to integrate into economy, they will be able to suggest you and predict you the location which you must look for. In fact, when they were doing this project, they found out that most of the immigrants who land up in these big cities, they have their own challenges. However, many of them who actually chose to go to a smaller city, this finding was very, very interesting. And many of you who are in this category where you chose to go to a smaller city, it was seen that they have been economically thriving better. So if you're comparing the CTC between say Toronto or a smaller town, the CTC might have been on a lower side, but the savings what they have and other things like paying off insurance and many other things, affordability of buying a house, all these practical things which matters, if you look at, these people have been able to do much better. And when you're able to do all these things, you're happy, your morale is high, and you thank your stars for coming to Canada. But more than that, you thank yourself for taking the right decision. So this is how this Immigration Lab and IRCC's collaboration is going to work. While this tool could be a game changer, it might also add a layer of problem. That is, people like you and me, we will be using this tool, and say based on our skill set, say 10 of us have the same skill set, and we find that okay, this particular place will give us better opportunity. We all land up at the same place, and there are only say 2 to 3 jobs in terms of ratio. So we will end up flooding that place and end up creating another scenario which we are already seeing in this big city. So this is one complex thing which will get sorted as more and more data comes in. So that is the reason why soon there will be a pilot, and based on the pilot's outcome, they will look at how they are going to roll out this tool for future. Now, as I said earlier, there are many tools which already exist in the IRCC website. In fact, I have made a video on how I used the tool to find which place I should consider coming and settling in Canada. You must check out that. So you will get an idea of what is already existing. And this tool is going to help people like me who had no friends and family in Canada, and we had to rely on these kind of information to make an informed decision. If you're detached and you don't have any such affinity, friends, family, and all those considerations which I said, then you might be able to take a better informed decision in terms of your job and settlement. So friends, I hope you found today's video interesting. Do comment and let me know if there are any questions. I'm sharing the all possible relevant link so that you can go and find more information by yourself. And I'll keep bringing such informative video. So do keep watching Canada Tried and Tested. Thank you.